Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the sweet and sticky world of honey. Get ready, because we've got 40 mind-blowing facts that will change the way you think about this golden treat.
Fact number 1. Honey is the only food that never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Fact number 2. Honey is made from nectar, which bees collect from flowers. They process this nectar by evaporating the water content and adding enzymes. Fact number 3. The average honeybee will produce only about 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. That's a lot of work for a tiny reward.
Fact number 4. Honeybees communicate through a series of dances known as the waggle dance. This helps them tell other bees where to find flowers.
Fact number 5. There are more than 300 types of honey, each with its own flavor, color, and aroma. Some of the most popular types include clover, wildflower, and manuka honey.
Fact number 6. Honey contains various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B6, niacin, riboflavin, pantothenic acid, calcium, and iron.
Fact number 7. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture. This is why it's often used in cosmetics and skincare products.
Fact number 8. In ancient Greece, honey was considered a gift from the gods. It was used in various rituals and as an offering. Fact number 9. Honey is an effective natural cough suppressant. Studies have shown that it can help alleviate nighttime cough in children.
Fact number 10. The color of honey depends on the flower's nectar that bees collect. This can range from light amber to dark brown.
Fact number 11. Honey has antibacterial properties, making it an excellent natural remedy for wounds and burns.
Fact number 12. The world's largest honey-producing country is China, followed by Turkey, the United States, and Argentina. Fact number 13. Honey never expires. It can be stored forever if kept in a sealed container and protected from moisture.
Fact number 14. In the 19th century, honey was used as a preservative for food. People used it to sweeten their food and drinks while keeping them shelf-stable.
Fact number 15. The process of making honey involves bees visiting over 2 million flowers to produce just 1 pound of honey. Fact number 16. Honey is composed of about 80% sugar and 20% water, making it a highly concentrated energy source.
Fact number 17. It's been claimed that honey can help with allergies. Local honey may contain pollen from your area, allowing your body to build up a tolerance.
Fact number 18. Honey is used in various cultures around the world for rituals, including weddings, where it symbolizes fertility and good fortune. Fact number 19. There is a type of honey called honeydew that is produced by aphids, not flowers. It is a darker honey with a unique flavor.
Fact number 20. Honey helps with digestion by promoting the growth of good bacteria in your gut, thanks to its prebiotic properties. Fact number 21. In many cultures, honey has been used as a natural remedy for centuries, believed to cure everything from colds to insomnia.
Fact number 22. Honey can be used as a natural sweetener in your cooking and baking, offering a healthier alternative to refined sugars.
Fact number 23. Did you know certain types of honey can crystallize? This is a natural process that indicates the quality of honey is good and it hasn't been overly processed. Fact number 24. Raw honey, which is unprocessed, contains all the natural properties that processed honey lacks, including beneficial enzymes and nutrients.
Fact number 25. Honey is not suitable for infants under 1 year old due to the risk of botulism. Always consult a pediatrician before introducing it.
Fact number 26. Over 400 chemical compounds make up honey, giving it its unique flavors and health benefits. Fact number 27. Honey can be an effective treatment for acne. It's a natural cleanser thanks to its antibacterial properties. Fact number 28. Honey has been scientifically proven to help with sleep disorders when consumed before bedtime.
Fact number 29. Polyfloral honey is made from the nectar of various flowers, giving it a complex and rich flavor profile.
Fact number 30. The world's largest honeypot was created in 1977 and weighed over 100 tons. That's a lot of honey.
Fact number 31. Honey pairs beautifully with cheese and is often featured on cheese boards for its contrasting sweetness.
Fact number 32. In India, honey is often used in religious ceremonies for its symbolism of prosperity and purity.
Fact number 33. Studies have shown honey can reduce blood sugar levels when used in moderation, making it a better alternative to table sugar. Fact number 34. Different flower varieties produce distinct types of honey, such as buckwheat honey, which is dark and tangy in flavor. Fact number 35. Honey can be used as a natural conditioner for hair, providing shine and moisture.
Fact number 36. In Japan, eating honey was considered a ritual by samurai warriors to boost their energy before battles. Fact number 37. Honey is mentioned multiple times in the Bible as a symbol of abundance and goodness.
Fact number 38. Even though honey is generally safe for most, people with diabetes should monitor their intake as it can affect blood sugar levels. Fact number 39. When honeycombs are emptied, bees will rebuild them, which showcases their incredible architectural skills.
Fact number 40. Here's the mind-blowing fact. The phrase, busy as a bee, comes from the immense amount of work honeybees do. An entire colony can pollinate 1,000 flowers in one trip. Imagine the impact they have on our food supply.